Helping people recover missing files is something that we often have to do. On the laptops, there is a certain thing that you can do to help students recover files, which is different than the procedure that we use on the regular PCs. On the laptops, there's a special hidden folder inside the user files that contains the previous user's documents that they may have edited. And there are two ways to get there. The first way is to open up the user files folder on the desktop and type in old-docs at the end of the letter D, so that you're D:/old docs, and it brings up the previous set of user files. And as you can see, two of them have files. In this case, the desktop is showing files, and the documents is showing files. Now there's another kind of file recovery that you can do, and sometimes this is the kind of file recovery we do when Word crashes or a Microsoft Office program crashes. Those programs will leave a recovery file. So I'm going back to the main user files drive here. User files are on the D drive. And we're going to look at the desktop. Let's see, is that the one? And we're going to go to Organize, Folder and Search Options, View, and we're going to select down here Show Hidden Files and Folders. It's the first radio button type select box. Apply, OK, and let me see, am I in the right folder? I was going to show you an example of a Word backup document. Here we go. This document has a slightly grayed out icon at the beginning, and that means it's a hidden document. Word makes backup documents in several kinds, and this one is a WBK ending, and that's a Word backup document. If a person says Word has crashed and they lost their document, you would set hidden files to be displayed the way we listed, and in this case you would look for files that say .asd at the end, .wbk, that previously were hidden, and try to open them for the patron to see if they have what the patron was looking for. And in this case I made sure that there was one on there that had a document in it. Okay. So those are the two ways you look for documents for a patron on the laptop, which are slightly different from the ways that you do it on a PC.